Good morning, it's officially day 9, so it's Animal Kingdom. My first lightning lane is the safari because I got told the animals are most active either first thing in the morning or last thing on the night, well before the park shuts. So yep, got that. I've got a single pass for the Avatar ride, and then I've got a lightning lane for the Navi River journey as well. But yeah, let's just go and explore Animal Kingdom. I'm excited.
Más como el animal, pues más como el Rey León.
We're at Disney's Animal Kingdom. First lightning lane's at 8:30. Again, not road tripping any rides because I want to have a chill day, but it's famous last words, because I always get a last minute lightning lane and I always have to walk from one end of the park to the other, so let's just see how it goes. I'm just walking towards Africa. I've somehow took the wrong turn and ended up down Pandora, so a little bit longer than expected, but good job. The route's quite scenic. I do have a lightning lane at 9:30 as well for the Festival of the Lion King, which I'm absolutely buzzing about. Love the Lion King. It's one of my friend's favourite things, and I've already gotten her a little teddy. So if I see anything else, I might get her a little something.
Photos that you want of all these lovely animals. It's highly recommend to put your cameras into live sport or action mode. Helps you greatly capture all those animals out there. Looks like browsing on some leaves off in a wall. The black rhino is one of the more smallest featured rhinos occurring in the continent of Africa, which averages around 3,000 pounds. They're more of a solitary species in the male territories. They like to stay by themselves the majority of the time. Now that's kind of fun in a family herd. While they do have 2 horns on top of their own exact head, those 2 horns are made of a mineral called keratin. Hippos, a whole group of hippos that is known as a bloat. So that is a bloat of hippos off to the left. Good morning. Those herds leaving the females and babies to themselves. The argument end up the oldest and wisest female is the one that's been leading the herd. Well, she knows all the food locations and the general area to itself. She is very knowledgeable and wise about her own surroundings, and she is the most dominant female with the whole entire herd. And the greater flamingos, they are the largest flamingos in their species. They all get that amazing pink coloration with a thing called a beta carotene. Females as well as the male that makes up the group or the pride. There goes the male, he's gonna come out to the left. Oh, look at the female. She's kind of like lunched down. The male's like, no.
want to say hello? Oh, say hello? Okay, do you want to introduce yourself? Your name is Molly? That's Molly up here in the front. And then in the back, what's your name? Gabriella. That's Gabriella, or Gabby for short. So they are Molly and Gabby. Yeah, another cat, which is really helpful. Okay, so you are my sunshine, my only light. You make me happy. You'll never know how much I love. Don't sleep okay. I'm your sunshine away. Great job. They're very supportive. They like to cheer each other on. So, that was, yeah. Great job, girls. That was their duet, and Line with Baracha is a lot of fun because they only know those 2 lines, and if I don't pay them a little peanut, they will just keep singing it over and over and over again. What was that? I'm later out there. Oh, it's not time to go yet. You're funny. Oh, you are so funny, Molly. Now, we're going to see if Molly wants to sing her solo. Oh my God, I have fun. Great job! Yeah, so they each sang their songs. They also sang their little duet too. So that's usually about it. Hopefully that we've... I love you! Oh, I love you too, Gabby. Oh, she really likes you guys. All right, so hopefully we've had enough time that Michael has got his mic. Oh my God! I know you want it on for. We heard that already. All right, we are gonna head on out of here. Gabby, do you have anything else to say? Do you want to say goodbye? See you later, alligator. That was see you later, alligator. And that was Molly and Gabby.
Therefore, indeed not releasable. So she stays here with us to serve as an ambassador for her species. Because not that long ago, and many of you might remember, the bald eagle population was actually declining so fast. And they were declining so fast and rapid that we thought future generations would never get to see these beautiful animals out in the wild ever again. But that's when things started to change. Humans started to take action. We started cleaning up the waterways for bald eagles fish, and we stopped using harmful chemicals and pesticides like DDT, which was a major cause for the population's decline.
Yeah, it was people just like all of us that helped bring this bird back from the brink of extinction.
Yes, and in doing that, all of our efforts combined, the bald eagle was officially taken off the endangered species list.
But I can tell from here that you all did an amazing job. Now, the last thing that I want for you guys to do, if you go on those sketches, take them with you.
Everyone see me? Great! Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee.
It's been a few hours since I last videoed, but I've just been caught in the rain. Just getting in from Animal Kingdom. So when I last videoed, I was just getting on the Kilimanjaro safari, which was class. We seen like a herd of giraffes and a baby giraffe as well, and one of them was right next to right next to the road, so it was very, very close. So I'll insert a clip now. Then I went to see the Festival of the Lion King, that was amazing as well. I videoed it all, but I'll probably have to chop it up because of copyright, so I'll have to put some music over the top, but that was absolutely amazing. I'd highly recommend, if you come to Animal Kingdom, to see that. After that, I then went to I then went down to Pandora to see to do the Navi River journey, which it was amazing, but they've took the animatronic away, so in its place is just a video, like a visual of what the animatronic would do. So it was a little bit disappointing not seeing it, but it was still amazing. It was still lovely to see. And then I went to go on Flight of Passage, but it was closed for a few hours. So instead, I went to Dinosaur. That's what I did. I went to Dinosaur. So I went to Dino Land USA, which is now completely gone, basically, because they're making space for the new Encanto space. So I went on the dino ride. That was surprisingly scary. Picked up a few bits from there, and then made my way back over to Expedition Everest, which was classed. Sat next to a little kid who was single rider, and he was telling me what to expect, and it was amazing. And then I went on the Cali River Rapids as well. I was expecting to get soaked, and I was hoping to get soaked because I was absolutely sweating, but I think I got splashed like once. But it was still good nevertheless. It was quite short as well. I was expecting it to be a lot longer. And then after that, I did miss the Finding Nemo show because of that ride. It took a lot longer than expected, so I missed that. That's the only thing I missed today, and it's definitely something I'm going to be doing next year. So instead, I went to the Feathered Friends in Flight. That as well is something you shouldn't miss. It was really good. They brought out a bald eagle, they brought out toucans, they brought out parrots. The parrots were singing, they brought out owls. It was class. It was really funny as well. Really interactive with the audience. And then after that, I went to Rafiki's Planet Watch. We drew TikTok, which was the crocodile from Peter Pan. So I've got I think I've put some snippets in now, but I've brought the drawing with us as well to take home. And then after that, I finally went on the Flight of Passage, which was class as well. Because we did Lightning Lane, we did miss out like majority of the queue of like where the Avatar and stuff is, like all the extra bits. But I got on quicker, so I can't really complain. But yeah, that is me for today with Animal Kingdom. I might go back out to Fantasmic. I did actually book some Lightning Lanes for Magic Kingdom, but Rafiki Planet Watch took a lot longer than I expected as well, so I just couldn't get out in time. I did have a Lightning Lane booked for Tiana's and Space Mountain and Pirates of the Caribbean, and it is shutting at 6 as well for the Halloween party again, so I just thought there's no point, so I just cancelled them. So I'm just back in my room now, and I think that is me for the night. I've just picked up a McDonald's. I've just come in and the cleaners have been in today, and they've done this with my ears, which is cute. Put all my ears in a little circle on the bed, bless them. Try and leave them a tip. I've got no cash left as well. I've completely depleted my cash, so I'll have to withdraw some to tip them. I've spent an absolute fortune. I did some damage at the outlets, and I've just been buying bits every day from each parks. So anyway, tomorrow is Epcot. I am going to end the video here and restart it tomorrow morning for Epcot. So yeah, let's see what we get up to tomorrow. So I'm having to voice over the next few clips because I accidentally put my camera onto slow motion mode. Don't know how I did it, but I ended up doing it anyway. And I'm only just discovering this now. So I got to Epcot about 9 o'clock. I headed to the land for Soarin' for my first Lightning Lane, which was really good. Didn't expect to smell stuff on the ride. Then I headed over to Nemo and the Seas. Had a quick look around the aquarium, and I seen a few little Nemos. And then to my next Lightning Lane, which was at 10 o'clock for Crush's Turtle Talk, which should go back to normal speed.
Virginia.
Hey, Virginia, how many kids you got, man?
We got 2.
Oh, cool. Do they ask a lot of questions, man?
Sure do.
That's a bonus. It means they need the knowledge. Isn't it cool? Teaching them the waves of the world.
Pretty much, yeah.
Virginia, did you feel it, man? We're sharing the moment. Give it up for Mama! Virginia! Rockin' it!
So we did Soarin', and we did Turtle Talk with Crush. Now we're just waiting for the Lightning Lane for Guardians, so I'm going to go quickly into the Journey of Water. It's also just started lashing it down. Very fitting. Time to come out the Journey of Water, but it started lashing it down, so I got the umbrella up. I'm just going now quickly to the Starbucks at Connections Cafe. So I'm absolutely starving, and then we're going to go on Guardians of the Galaxy.
Stuff is the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie coochie coo, and taste. Tastes like chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour.
So I've just rode Test Track, and then I went straight on to do Journey of Imagination with Figment, which was cute. I've just looked on the app and I've managed to get a last minute Lightning Lane for Frozen Ever After. So now I'm in World Showcase and we're going to start at Mexico and make our way around.
And let my stomach rest.
Just makes sense. Winter's a good time to stay and cuddle with Pookie and Thunder and I'll be a happy snowman. Exactly.
I'm watching this train.
Okay.
that right there. That is me now heading out of Epcot. It is 2:20. I rode most things I want to do. Guardians was my favourite. I think that might be my favourite roller coaster, or my favourite ride in Walt Disney World. I do need to go and buy a new suitcase, so I'm going to do that. I had all intention of going to Magic Kingdom because I still have the multi-pass, but I'm in Magic Kingdom tomorrow for Winnie the Pooh breakfast, so I think I'm just going to wait for that, and I've pretty much got all day tomorrow. I don't go back to the airport until 6:30 to drop the car, so it's essentially another full day in Magic Kingdom. But anyway, I'm going to go to Five Below, I think, and look for a suitcase. So I'm now back in the room. I bought a suitcase. It was $80 from Marshall's. I originally went to Five Below, whatever it's called, and there was nothing. It was just a crappier version of our Pound World or Poundland. Anyway, Marshall's was literally on the same retail park, so I went along there and seen it straight away, and it was a Juicy Couture one, so I was like, I'm having that. Just packing the last bits now. I've got a reservation at 9:30 tomorrow morning at the Crystal Palace for breakfast with Winnie the Pooh and friends, so I'm going to be checked out by then. So hence why I'm packing now, basically, because I want everything in the car. I might even start taking stuff to the car like tonight. Actually no, I won't, because I'm going to Magic Kingdom. I'm going to get the Magic Kingdom Starbucks tote bag, and the Starlight parade is on at 8 o'clock, and then I'm going to watch the actual proper fireworks, because I've only seen the Mickey's Not So Scary fireworks so far at Magic Kingdom, so I'm going back for that. I won't lie, I'm actually quite emotional. I'm getting quite emotional thinking of going home and going back to reality. It's yeah, it's very, very depressing. But as of today, I think it's 218 days till I come back with Sam and his family, which I'm so excited for. Honestly, this place is something else. And it's, yeah, I can't talk too much about it because I'm getting depressed. I'm thinking about going back to work. But anyway, I'm going back to Magic Kingdom, so let's go. We're back in Magic Kingdom. I'm going to go in the Emporium now and look for the bag. It is absolutely rammed in Magic Kingdom tonight. I think it's because the Starlight parade's on, as well as the normal fireworks. Oh, the Christmas stuff. That's very cute, but I've already bought one today. It is over here. It's gone. It's over here. Never mind. False alarm. Found it. Oh, someone's just been proposed. Proposed to, even.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning. I forgot to close out the video last night, so I'm just going to do it now. So I spent the night at Magic Kingdom and it was absolutely packed because it was a normal night with no party, normal fireworks, and it also had the Starlight parade. It's really patchy, which was really, really lovely, really amazing. But it was just packed, so I couldn't even get central to watch the fireworks, like, and see the castle, because I was at the very back of the park again, just so it was quick to get out. And I ended up being one of the first to get out, so I can't complain. So I was out of the park, back in the hotel room by 10:30. But yeah, today, day 10 is breakfast with Winnie the Pooh, and then I don't really know what else, to be honest. We'll just see what we get up to. Because I don't really want to be sat in Magic Kingdom all day. I'm not handing the Kai car back until 6:30. And as much as I love it, there's only so much you can do and walk around. I don't have multi-pass for today. I don't really fancy buying it because I can't get on Tron. So yeah, I think we'll find another activity. So at the minute I'm just packing the last bits. Just working out what I can put in me tote, in me carry-on, and other suitcases. It's absolutely rammed. But yeah, let's see what we get up to today. There we go. So I've just had breakfast at the Crystal Palace with Winnie the Pooh and friends, which was absolutely amazing. I haven't got multi-pass for today, so I'm just walking around Magic Kingdom, but I think I'm going to go on the People Mover. The People Mover queue just behind us is so long, so I'm going to do Carousel of Progress instead because I haven't done it yet. So, and the queue's not as long, it's literally got like 10 people in. So we'll do that instead.
Shining at the end of every day, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow, and tomorrow is just a dream away. Man has a dream, and that's the start. He follows his dream with mind and heart, and when it becomes a reality, it's a dream.
So I'm just walking to Frontierland to go and watch the Country Bear Jamboree. Just got off the Carousel of Progress, sat around for a little bit just because it's really hot, so I sat in the shade. Oh, look at the castle. And I'm just soaking up the last few hours, but I have to go to the airport. Just started raining, so on that note, I'm gonna leave. I've still got like 3-4 hours to kill, so I think I'm just gonna sit in the car for a little bit, charge my phone, maybe do some work on my laptop, or do some bits on my laptop, and maybe just drive somewhere else to chill. Can't go back to the hotel now, fully checked out, so yeah, we'll just find something to do.